In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Google Ads Change History tool, an essential guide for marketers seeking to optimize their advertising campaigns effectively. This tool is particularly useful for tracking changes over time, thus allowing you to make data-driven decisions and understand the impact of your modifications on campaign performance. Let's get started by going to the Google Ads website. Once there, you'll want to sign in by clicking on the Sign In button. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Use your Google account credentials to log in. If you don't already have a Google Ads account, you'll need to create one. This step is crucial as it not only allows you to access the tools available on the platform, but also provides detailed insights into your campaign performance. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the Google Ads home. This is your central hub for managing campaigns and accessing various tools that Google offers. Look around to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't used it before. Next, you need to navigate to the Change History section. The Change History tool is an invaluable feature that tracks all the modifications made to your campaigns. Simply locate the toolbar on the left side of the page, where you'll see various options like campaigns, ads and extensions, etc. Click on the Reports menu, and from there you'll find the Change History option. Accessing this tool will help you review all the past changes, big or small, and understand their timeline. This section logs entries chronologically, providing the date, time, and author of each change, alongside a brief description of what was altered. Understanding the change history can be invaluable in identifying what strategies have delivered positive results and which ones haven't quite worked out as expected. By correlating changes with fluctuations in performance metrics, you can gain a clearer picture of what impacts your campaigns and adjust your tactics accordingly. One tip to remember as you explore the changes: use the filter options available. You can filter by date range or specific types of changes, such as budget adjustments or targeting criteria modifications. This feature enables you to focus on the changes most relevant to your current analysis, making the tool more user-friendly and tailored to your specific needs. To conclude, regularly reviewing your change history should become a standard practice in your campaign management routine. It not just saves time by providing a quick overview of past actions, but also sharpens your strategic approach to advertising, ultimately improving your campaign's success and maximizing your return on investment. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in mastering the Google Ads Change History tool. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.